Hi, I'm Michela from Lifelong Learners. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, is revolutionizing the way we build everything. Now, I'm sharing with you some vocabulary to talk about this topic. Additive manufacturing, a process of creating objects by adding material layer by layer, the basis of 3D printing. Additive manufacturing allows for complex geometries that traditional methods can't achieve. Slicing software, a program that converts 3D models into instructions for 3D printers by dividing them into horizontal layers. Before printing, she ran the design through slicing software to generate the correct G-code. Filament, a material used in fused deposition modeling printers, typically in the form of a spool. The printer jammed because the filament was tangled on the reel.
G-code, the language that controls 3D printers, specifying movement, temperature, and speed. Modifying the G-code allowed him to fine-tune the print quality. FDM, or fused deposition modeling, is a popular 3D printing technology where melted plastic is extruded layer by layer. Most consumer-level 3D printers use FDM because it's affordable and easy to operate. Stereolithography, SLA, a 3D printing method using lasers to cure liquid resin into solid layers. SLA produces finer details than FDM, making it ideal for dental models. Resolution, the level of detail a 3D printer can produce, typically measured in microns. The higher the resolution, the smoother the surface of the final product. Support structures, temporary materials printed to support overhanging parts during the print. The complex design requires support structures, which were later removed manually. Overhang, a part of a print that extends outwards with little or no support beneath it. The model had steep overhangs that needed careful orientation during printing. Infill, the internal structure of a print, which affects weight, strength, and material usage. He used a 20% infill to balance strength and speed. Post-processing, steps taken after printing, such as sanding, painting, or curing. The figurine looked rough at first, but post-processing gave it a polished finish. Build plate, the flat surface on which the object is printed. She leveled the build plate before every print to ensure proper adhesion. Layer height, the thickness of each printed layer affecting both detail and speed. A smaller layer height yields finer details but takes more time to print. Prototype, an early version of a product used for testing before mass production. They printed a prototype of the phone case to check the fit and design. Rapid prototyping, quickly creating functional models for testing and development using 3D printing. Thanks to rapid prototyping, the team was able to iterate on their design in days instead of weeks. And now a brief article on the matter. 3D printing, shaping the future one layer at a time. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, is revolutionizing the way we build everything, from phone cases to prosthetic limbs. By adding materials layer by layer, this process allows for intricate designs once thought impossible. At the heart of this workflow is slicing software, which breaks down digital models into printable layers and generates the essential G-code that guides the printer. For hobbyists and professionals alike, Understanding the type of material is key. Filament is commonly used in FDM printers, while SLA uses resin for finer details. Regardless of the technology, resolution plays a crucial role in defining the quality of each print. More complex objects often require support structures to handle overhangs, ensuring stability during the print. Inside the object, varying infill densities help control strength and weight. After printing, post-processing steps like sanding and painting bring the model to life. Proper setup, including leveling the build plate or selecting the right layer height, is essential for success. Whether creating a one-off prototype or engaging in rapid prototyping to accelerate product development, 3D printing opens up endless possibilities for innovation. Congratulations on reaching the end of the video. If you found it useful or interesting, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel so as not to miss any of my new lessons. Bye! See you soon!